Hey everyone, just on a little trip, but just wanted to do a little rundown on the current state on both Bitcoin and Ethereum. So on Bitcoin, we've been having quite a big dump the last few days. Since in the last like 2 days we've dropped about 10%, 11% on Bitcoin. And right now we're at a pretty important zone. So as you can see that we have this white line over here. I'm waiting to get into a trade off of this line from this resistance fan. And you can also see that we do have also some confluence with VWAP from this lowest point from this, or sorry, right over here from this lowest point right over here. Give me 1 second. Yeah, so the VWAP is this anchored VWAP is from this lowest point on this range over here, and so that's kind of lining up right now with this white line as well. So if we come down to this level, I'm gonna be getting into a trade from this area right over here. If we're showing some divergences on maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15, which that would be my entrance level. If we're continuing to break down, I'm looking for basically like a quick movement down into this, tap this level, and then shooting back up to the upside. If we're not getting a bounce off of this level, it's very likely that we do come lower down, more into this Fibonacci, these two pink lines right over here, which is the Fibonacci levels from the fans. What would be another nice trade is if that would be my ideal trade is if we come down, we break past this VWAP, tap this pink line, and then have that move up. That would be a really ideal trade. And also that 80,000 $80,000 level is also just a very psychological number as well. So I would assume there would be a lot of buy pressure there. So that's a trade I would be looking for on Bitcoin. And then in terms of market cipher with Bitcoin, so as you can see, deep um, we have a very deep wave on the oscillator. The last time it's been this deep was right over here. On this move, when it's super oversold, it generally does have some movement to the upside because, I mean, again, we've just been having a big sell off for no real valid reasons. So it would make sense that we do come down to that $80,000 level and then get a bounce. I don't personally think we're going to be coming back down to test this range area. That would be also kind of confluence with this VWAP over here, but I think personally that that $80,000 zone is going to be where we're having a reversal from. So that's kind of what I'm waiting for on Bitcoin. On Ethereum, we're having kind of the similar thing. We've been dumping for the last few days quite a bit on Ethereum. We dumped about 17%. So it's not looking the best for Ethereum either. We did come back down into this zone over here, which was a level I was waiting for a while, and then I did take a trade and then sold most of the position in this area, and then I'm still in it right now. I'm gonna probably get stopped out soon, but as you can see that on Ethereum, we came back up, we tested this golden pocket pink line here. That would have been a nice area to get into a short position, but I was hoping for a bit more up room, so I never got into a short. But if we are coming back down to this, I wouldn't really take a trade off of this level anymore. I would wait for a little bit further down. Unless we kind of go in a range like this and then come back down. This would be my ideal area to enter because we're having these two intercepting lines, and this is a very important level for Ethereum, and that would also be kind of liquidity grab of this wick over here. So that's the trade I would be waiting for on Ethereum. And then in terms of with market cipher, if we do come down pretty quickly and just kind of like wick this out and then come back up, that would be also be setting us up on a daily time frame of for a very nice divergence, which would be marking hopefully a bottom for Ethereum. So that's kind of what I'm waiting for in terms of my trade levels. But as I'm saying right now, the market just isn't looking too good. So I am waiting for those lower levels on both Ethereum and then on Bitcoin. Waiting for this area ideally, but I will be looking for a trade if we do come in tapping this anchored VWAP along with this white line. So yeah, so that's kind of the rundown on the levels I'm looking at. And if you guys have any questions or anything, feel free to let me know in the comments and have a good day. Bye.